think he went?
Probably in the kitchen looking for more ammo.
I've got you now, Cyclonian swine! Now, you will know what happens to enemies of the Resistance! For you, the wasteland awaits. Cries for mercy will go totally unanswered, Cyclonian swine!
We're not Cyclonians.
Radar, go!
No! No! So, you freak yourself, eh? Well then, you just have to tussle like good old-fashioned trench rats. I should warn you, though, I was a pretty good scrapper back in the day.
We're not Cyclonians.
She's right. We're the good guys. The Stormhawks.
Come on, you've heard of us. We're famous.
Chicken hooks? Nope, never heard of you. Who is your commanding officer?
That would be me.
The name is Ren, leader of the Resistance Front. Welcome to the last free piece of gale.
Impressive.
Gale was once a marvelous kingdom, but that was before the Cyclonians came. Now our people toil in their smelters, prisoners. 2 weeks ago, they took my precious dove.
Yep, there it is. That's the we're going on a dangerous mission look.
We'll get her back, Ren.
I'm in.
Fantastic! A rescue mission. Good thinking. Teach that dark ace a thing or two.
Wait a minute. Did you just say... Did he just say Dark Ace?
Listen up, everyone. Hey, whoa! We have a rescue plan.
Whoa.
Most people would say this mission is dangerous, reckless, and pretty much impossible.
In other words, just our style. It all starts with Finn. He goes high altitude. And then cuts the engine for a little quiet time.
Then he beelines for the smokestack and drops this. Totally unstable. So when it hits... Kapow! There's water everywhere. And when water hits hot metal...
You get steam. Lots of it.
So no one sees when we drop in for a zero-viz landing.
Wait a minute! A landing in zero-viz?
Instant death. No, it isn't. We do that kind of thing all the time. Guards will be everywhere.
Who goes there?
Oh, great. Then we get caught.
No, that's when we borrow a page from your book and lie.
I like it.
We dress like maintenance guys. We're there to fix the boiler.
And when the guards don't buy it, Junko explains it another way.
Then we get a change of clothes.
And the doors open wide.
Once inside, we're like a well-oiled machine. Guards will be running all over. No one's got a clue. While we get free run to hunt for Dove.
Hey, guys! Looky who I found.
Dove, wait! We're here to bust you out. Ren sent us.
Huh? Grandpapa?
Stormhawks at your service.
Ah, good. You can carry this. Follow me.
That's not the way out.
Of course it's not. We free the Sky Knights of Gale next.
Halt! What's going on here?
We're taking this dangerous fugitive to the prison.
She doesn't look dangerous.
Oh, this is the notorious evil flying dove scorpion.
I don't buy it. Where's your ID?
It's in here.
Huh?
Sweet!
Sorry I had to see that.
Let's go.
You're in for a world of hurt.
Air Finn, at your service.
Sorry, Finn. She's riding with me.
No problemo. Let's go.
After we free the others, we'll meet you over Gale.
Good luck. I told you the plan was foolproof. We saved the day and didn't even run into...